Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do a loop knot. So you want to start with your wool or yarn, and you're going to create a loop like so, just like that, and then put that loop under first bit of warp string and the other side under as well. So it's a similar technique for when you're doing fringing, and then you're going to pull it down. You're going to want something like card in place to create a sort of strong barrier for when you're pushing down your yarn. So again, loop under and pull it down. So under, pull it down. Okay, and then you're going to carry on in the gaps. So where you've just done your knots, you're going to fill in the gap here. So again, repeat. And that's how you do a loop knot. Creates great texture.